Hi everyone and welcome to my first YouTube video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Britax Holiday Romer. This one's the double one and it's in steel grey and black. So let me open it up and show you what's inside. So I've got this pram because I look after my friend's little girl 2 days a week as well as my little girl Sophia, who if you follow us on Instagram you'll see lots of pictures of her. So I did have the My Baby stroller, but it was really bulky and it took up a lot of storage space. So this one is really compact. So you grab it out of its bag. Here it is in its packaging. So as you can see it's really small, so like it's a double pram. It's really lightweight. I'll check, but I think it's 9 kilograms. So here we go. So that's the pram itself. Bit of the packaging. Got there's the wheels and the 2 hoods. So we'll just put them there for a minute. And here we've got the manual. So it's good from 6 months up to about 3 years, which is perfect for us because the girls are 1 and 11 months. So we'll read them later. So I'll just put it together, then I'll come back to you. So I've just assembled it, so I'm going to show you all how to lift it up. So there's just some little things to push up here, then it'll pull out, snap it into place, pull up these and clip it there. So that's that like that, all done. And I just need to put the hoods on, so let me just clip them on. Should just clip into place like so. There we go. Then pull it back and they fasten. There's some little buttons either side. One there. It just ties on there. And then in the middle, there's just a bit of Velcro, so I just fasten that round. And there we have it. So here we are, so the hood can extend like this, or you can pop that back, depending on the weather. There we go. So it doesn't come with a rain cover, which I would say is one point, but you can get them extra. I think it's more designed for going out and about on holiday, but it's good for just out and about in England as well, obviously, which is why I got it. So let me spin you around and show you the baskets. I've got two good sized baskets here. It does recline a little bit, not a lot. It's got some zips either side. And then it drops back a little bit. It's more of a seated position, a little bit of a recline, but it's good from 6 months up to 3 years, so that's quite good. For us, it's really nice and compact, which is the main reason I chose this one. It's got a single brake in the middle. It's got front swivel wheels, which can be locked into place. And to put it down, just click 2 buttons here. There's one in the middle. Click that up. And then just snap the 2 middle brakes down, pull that, there we go, making it far harder than it needs to be. So there we go, goes down. Got 2 little handles, so if you were going out and about on holiday, you could carry it around the airport. So yeah, it's lighter than my single stroller, to be honest. So it's a thumbs up from me. I'll let you know how I get on with it over on my Instagram, which is the Real Life Mummy Diaries. If you want to follow us there, I will leave a link below. If you've liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.